it's Lana and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations. We are at our house 14.
We are,
Candace's home, but we are short a bird.
We are. She's in a COVID bubble.
And she's in a beautiful location for the COVID bubble, so I think she's got it pretty good.
She does, exactly.
But we're flying solo without her for this Christmas extravaganza at Candace's home.
I know, it's like the colourful Christmas, isn't it?
Like, I mean, your pants are one thing, but the tree is another.
My party pants?
Yeah, I genuinely could say I've never seen a Christmas tree done this way.
Look, we wanted it to be colourful this year. We wanted it to be something that, you know, was happy and we celebrate and all of those things. And then Mrs Claus came in and she took it to a whole new level.
Louisa from House 13 is Mrs Claus. She works with us on Christmas every year, so we've got to bring her in.
We do.
Come on over, Lou.
Come on, Mrs Claus. No one does Christmas like this lady.
So what we've done here is we've just added some more colour, because that's our theme and our vibe for this Christmas. But we just went to like the reject shop and got bunches of flowers, which is really cost effective.
Yeah,
it's probably
these are
cheaper.
fake.
Yeah.
They're all fake. Cheaper than Christmas ornaments at David Jones. They can get pricey. They can get up to $25.
They can get pricey anywhere.
Yeah, and so we just sporadically, again, there's no rhythm, there's no rhyme, and just place them into the tree.
I would just never have thought of the flowers and the lemons. It truly is unique. And then the gift wrapping, Lou, you know, I've seen you wrap gifts before, and it's linen colours and greenery and all very neutrals and naturals. And when I arrived, I was like, oh my gosh, Bonnie's pants.
What's happened
The
at
presents.
3 Birds?
What has happened at 3 Birds? I thought we were all white. What's happened?
No, so what we've done here is
Yeah,
another
these are
DIY
cool.
hacky type of
Yeah,
thing.
these are really cool.
And it's just white craft paper, if you may, and it's all recycled. And we've just added some crepe paper. So you can get that from your newsagents. Again, cheap as chips, cut it up. You can do checkers, stripes, whatever you want. And then that's a little hand-painted gift.
And then when you see what we've done at the table, you'll see it even works even more.
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing what you can create outside,
Yes.
and Candace is going to be home by then too. So why don't you guys head out there?
We will.
And I want
Go
to
and
see
set
how
up.
this translates out there.
Outdoors in the alfresco area, and we've swapped this out a little bit, haven't we? We've brought the table out here to dine for Christmas. We've got a very bold, beautiful print here, like amazing. And you don't always have to have your tablecloth hanging over your table.
Okay, so let's start with our stripe placemats.
I know, I mean, stripes, we've said it 1,000 times, but stripes go with everything.
You just can't go wrong. And then I like to start with the tallest items and place them on the table first.
Okay, now talk me through the floral choices here.
Really, really, really easy. It is so simple to do. The rawer, the better. Like your children could actually put these vases
No,
together.
I'm pretty sure mine couldn't. All right, so stripes.
Yep.
We've gone with the yellow and white here. Amazing pieces, just as a little feature on the table. And the fake lemons.
Online.
Who doesn't,
Cheap as chips.
Who doesn't love a fake lemon? I mean,
And even if you wanted to put fake at the bottom and then put real on top,
Yeah.
at least you're not buying a pallet of lemons every time you're trying to style with them.
Exactly, okay. So then we're going to go height with the candles.
Candles. And again, mixing colours.
Have a go at this, people. Like, it's just genius. So they are IKEA plates, and then the paint. Do you want to talk through the paint?
Yes, we bought the paint online and it's non-toxic, so you can actually eat from it, wash from it, it's dishwasher safe. And so you paint, you can do whatever kind of pattern, print, whatever you want. You can involve the kids again, and then you put them into the oven, and voila. So we've got all our napery from Bonnie and Neil, one of our favourite designers.
Absolutely obsessed. The colour and the pattern and everything that they do, it's like a piece of art. This is the arrival table, and I understand people are like, but where do we put the food? There's so much stuff on here. We would just then remove that, and we would use this for a salad or use any of the bowls that we've got for whatever food. But it is nice to just have a really beautiful table when people arrive.
It sets the scene.
It does, it sets the scene, exactly. All right, what's next?
Your favourite, the glassware.
Glassware.
So if anyone knows Bonnie, you know that she is...
I really like glassware. I do.
And has to be the right glassware.
Yeah, I mean, how beautiful. Just the colour. So, I mean, the serving plates at the moment that are out there, they're just magnificent. This one's from Alex and Trahanas, and
It's gorgeous.
they're beautiful. Absolute colour explosion. So, Lou, that's our table.
Couldn't be happier.
And do you know what I love most about this table is the versatility with the seating. Like, we've got the table from Freedom, the bench seat is also
Yes.
from Freedom, but all these little stools that are here, they are also side tables. So we've brought them from inside, we're putting them outside for the day. You can sit here, you can move them around.
And we've seated 6, but you could easily put
Another 2.
another 2.
Yep.
You could put 2 kids at either end with stools.
Yeah.
Easily.
Welcome!
Guys, it looks amazing.
What do you think?
I love the colours. Wow.
I know, this is a bit out there, Jerry, for 3
Yeah,
birds with
yeah,
this many
it's
colours, isn't
fantastic.
it?
It is. I think it's like
Colours,
wow.
prints.
And it's Christmas, but done so differently.
Yeah.
Like
It's like the perfect Christmas summer garden party.
It
I
is.
love it.
very Mediterranean. I just love it. And so close up, all the colours are just the citrus, the hot pink. I mean, my God, look at this.
And we wanted to bring colour and fun and just a little bit of excitement to Christmas Day. So I feel like this table's kind of it.
It is so
burst of
festive.
Yes.
It is so festive. And I mean,
I love the
this,
backdrop.
this is just so cool. You know what I love how this has all come up is how much the wall is a part of this
Yeah.
moment.
Well, it shows you how creating a wall and, you know, a built wall, like you've got your shed at the back.
Yeah.
Creating a wall is really like creating a room outside. It's anything goes with this table. You can see there's lots of colour, lots of pattern, and it's kind of anything goes. But there is, you will notice there is a consistent throughout, and it's the stripe.
Yeah.
So the stripe is consistent throughout, and probably the colour yellow.
Yeah.
Just gorgeous.
Oh,
You're going to have the best Christmas day here.
I know, I can't wait.
Okay, ladies, I want you to teach us how you did those plates and how you did the wrapping paper. Because I don't believe it's that easy. Come on.
It is that easy. It's a paintbrush, some paint. This is a plate, so I'm doing plates, you're doing
Paper.
and an IKEA plate or any plate really, even if you've got old plates.
Wait, they don't need, why, how are they not special plates?
They're porcelain. They're not
Okay.
plastic.
Okay.
But that's so they're oven proof.
And any kind of paint? Is this special paint?
This is special paint, yes.
What, like plate paint?
And Lance, we're going to do the paper.
Okay. You don't have a brush, Lou.
You can literally pick up anything. I've chosen a champagne.
You just happen to have that on your person?
If you go too many layers of wet, it'll lift the paint. So it's best to do one layer, let it dry a bit. It only takes like a minute or so. And then do another layer.
What were you going to say?
It's perfect as is.
Well, thank you.
I sort of felt as though that's it.
Well, that's it, it's
Do you
done.
get me?
So tell me how to cook them in the oven, Lulu.
So you put it in a cold oven. You
Yep.
don't preheat it at 150 for 30 minutes.
Okay, found too easy.
So from out the back to out the front.
In a new zone.
And I mean, zones, this just goes to show how important zones are. And, you know, I remember when this was like a fire pit, started with a fire pit, and now it's just summer fun. Did you say the same thing?
Jingle bells jingle all the way. The bobtail pulls a jolly crew riding on a sleigh.
And that's the beauty about a zone, isn't it? You know, you can swap it out, and you know, if you're anything like me on Christmas Day, you want zones for your family. Like you want somewhere for Nan and Pa, Mum and Dad.
But I love these couches. They're so comfy. You can actually sit out here and relax and just have a moment, have a drink.
And the colour, the colour of the timber
absolutely
is
gorgeous.
just so beautiful.
Where are these from, guys?
These
Freedom.
are Freedom, yeah.
Amazing.
This
Okay.
is as well.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
Isn't it
It's
pretty
like
for,
a penny round table.
but it's pretty for an outdoor piece of furniture.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, We're going to celebrate having done a great job getting the house ready for Christmas. My God, you'd swear it's been a long time since I opened a bottle of champagne. Okay, all right. Hey, stand up. Let's stand up for a cheers.
Cheers!
To a great Christmas.
Yes, have an amazing Christmas.
Hang on, do we cheers everyone?
Oh yeah, I think I touched everyone.
Jingle bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun, oh, what fun, oh, what fun on Christmas Day. Oh, what fun we'll have Christmas Day.
All right, let's go. Okay, wait, just give me one word to start with.
Christmas.
The fastest Christmas lunch that you can pull together 3 bird style. I'm gonna chuck that in there. Once we've done that,
Sorry, with the skin?
No.
Oh, okay.
She just cut me.
did I really?
Are you bleeding?
It's not a big enough bowl.
Because it is actually nice, but it does burn my esophagus.
Yeah.